Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to cover the useful drill down functions in the MDX query. And here there are the four drill down MDX functions are available, which are very handy. So where we can display the data in different group level. Okay, so those are like a drill down member, drill down member bottom, drill down member top, drill up member. Basically, drill down member is nothing but so you can select particular level of the uh, members. From there it will go down and fetch the lowest values. Okay, so that means it will go one level down. Okay, so you can see here the drill down member. I want to fetch my order quantity, reseller order quantity for all the cities. Okay, and then I want to fetch that quantity information for quarter level and then month level. Okay, so in this scenario I simply use a drill down member. Wrote my first set is actually drill down member is nothing but it's the syntax is nothing but you need to write this two sets. One is the set one where you need to mention what are the members that you want to display, and then it will take that as reference. Then it goes to the one level down and fetch the data. Okay, so here in the set 2 I mentioned the quarter again because I want to fetch the data for the quarter level and then their respective months information. So that's all. So this is how I wrote the MDX query, and then I drill down member. I put it in the one tuple. So you can see here. Now when I execute this, I get the order quantity, reseller order quantity for that quarter as well as the respective months, which are the months associated to this quarter. Those months information, it's fetched. Okay, you can validate the data. So whatever the sum of these 3 months information is matching, tallied with this quarter. Okay, so this is how drill down member works. And then moving on to the drill down member bottom. So the drill down member bottom also works same way the drill down member, but the main difference is under that quarter, if I want to fetch only March information, then I'll use the drill down member bottom, and then additionally I put there is the value, numeric value that we need to enter here. This will control the number of months to display in the result set. Okay, in my scenario, I want to fetch only the quarter information and then last month for that quarter. Okay, so now I'm executing the data for calendar year 2013. You can see here I get all the quarters, 4 quarters information. Under that, I get the last month for each quarter. That's the information I received here. And then if at all you want to fetch last 2 months for the each quarter, you can change that to 2, then you will get the last 2 months information for the each quarter along with quarters. Okay, and similarly the drill down member top works same way the how the drill down member bottom works, but the top will fetch the first month of the each quarter. So first it will fetch the each quarter information, and then it will also fetch the first month of the each quarter. Let's see what will happen here. So you can see here, so I got the 4 quarters information. Under that first month of the each quarter information, I got it. In case if you want to fetch uh, 2 months information, you can change this to 2 so that you get data for January and February. I mean, you get eventually the quarter information and then uh, top 2 months information for each quarter. This is how the drill down member top works. And moving on to the drill down member, drill up member. This is another function. I mean, basically it works like a similar way of the drill down member, but here what it will does, so it first take the reference of the quarter. This is the second named set, right? So from it will use the reference of second name set. Since I selected calendar quarter is my level, from that level I want to fetch the drill up, I mean the above level information. So the above level information is nothing but year and semester. Okay, so now if I execute here, now it will bring the my entire selected calendar year information and their semesters information. Okay, so it's a up whatever the selected level in the here, it will take that as a reference and it will fetch the above selected level information. For example, here I want to fetch the calendar year and semester information. Instead of that, if I want to fetch only the semester information, then I can select only semester column. Now you can see here I get the two semesters information. In the same query, if at all you want to fetch the quarter information also, we can, yes, we can get it that. You can just add that your quarter members statement into the this first set. This is the set one actually, and this is the second set two. Okay, so now since I add the quarter in the first set, so now I get the information for the semester as well as quarter information. So set 2 is always the reference where it will like if you take the linear graph, it's like a median point. Okay, so take that as a reference and we are telling to the engine to bring the above level information or below level information. So this is how the uh, drill down or drill up member functions will work. It's a difficult to pronounce. Sorry for that. Okay, so this is about these four functions. In the next session, we're going to cover drill down level, how this drill down level works, how they are different compared to the drill down member. So that's all for now. Thank you for your time.